Now let's see how its condensators are good or bad. So let's disassemble this power supply and see how are they conditioned. Let's see more closer. So we can see that maybe this cooler does not work because it is too dusty. So let's disassemble this power supply. So here we can see that how is the condition. There is so many dusts. So many dust we can see here. So it affects how these parts are working. So it is very bad when so many dusts are here in power supply. It is impossible to cool down this this power supply because of so many dust here. So let's see if there is any swallowed capacitors here. Let's see closer. So we can see that there is some like a swallowed capacitors, because we use sensitivity to check if it is swallowed. So we can see that it is swallowed, and such damaged capacitors can also damage another parts of the PC. So we have to change this power supply in order to make PC in good conditions to work. So we see that this power supply is damaged, and we don't need anymore to clean it because it is already damaged.